Hey guys, how's it going? Chris here with AC, and I'm back at Universal Studios Hollywood to check in on things. A lot of banging going on. I was here on Friday and it was really quiet over the Fast and Furious site. Nothing was going on. So I didn't shoot a vlog then, but I'm here now and hopefully I get to see some testing when I get inside the park. But first, let's just show you the security processing station, more banging, and then we'll check everything else out. Just some small changes over here since last time. Nothing extremely exciting, but there are a lot of workers on site. They appear to have finished the roof and the fascia that goes all the way around, at least the structure for it. That's what we have here. And then I'll give you an angle from the other side. Okay, wow, they've erected a giant curved retaining wall. Look at that, that thing is huge. And then just a lot of dirt, but before you know it, this is gonna get paved and landscaped and we'll be open. It's getting there, it's pretty close. Still waiting on the Malibu Brewing Company to open. Really looking forward to this. No signs of anything, but there could be a lot going on behind these windows here. All right, had to take the steps because the escalator over there is being worked on again, but that's okay, I can use the exercise. It is nice and quiet today. This is probably the least busy I've seen it in a very long time. First order of business is to pick up my pass holder magnet for Fast and Furious. So far pretty quiet. Here's that magnet that I got. It also has a bingo, a word search, and a pen, but came here for this really cool magnet. So far, yeah, it is really quiet. Not a whole lot going on. There's a couple cherry pickers there, so perhaps they're working up underneath that brake run. Maybe they're at lunch right now and I'll get to see something when they come back. There's definitely a lot more glass that got installed since I was here a couple weeks ago. And then down over here, all this metal on the back side of the sound wall towards the base. I was wondering what that was, and somebody dropped a comment and they said that in the concept art, I had forgotten about this, that there's ivy on this side. Now, I don't know if that's gonna be real ivy or fake ivy. Hopefully it's real ivy. That would look really good growing up the side there. Maybe they'll extend that all the way up to the top. Because over here, we have some growth on the fence. Maybe that'll grow all the way down. I don't know, maybe they'll plant some stuff and it'll just be nice and green, at least on this side of the perimeter fence. Can't do too much around the track just because of the low clearance, but could definitely do some nice ground cover, though the concept does just show gravel, unfortunately. And then out this way, just kind of a lot of the same. No glass over here yet. I imagine that will get done as soon as they finish over by the escalators. I also think this will get done a lot faster because they could work during the daytime, whereas over here, well, you're going over the escalators and you can't do that while the park is open. Yesterday, I can't remember if it was Five Fires or Universal High, it was one of those guys. They saw cars in the station, two trains. There was one side that had the ones with wraps and they had one side that was covered with a tarp. So I'm guessing that was the one that had no wrap on it at all. Hopefully the one that gets revealed soon. However, well, I'm looking inside the station and we don't have any trains at all. Hopefully we get to see it come out of here, the maintenance bay, a little bit later. In my previous update, I pointed out how they installed a new sign up here for 101 Exchange, but to my and everybody's surprise, you've probably seen this reported by a couple others, they put a sign on the side here and it is gorgeous. It is a very nice detail, and it makes me wonder if we're gonna get more detailing on the side of the building that we didn't expect. No train on the launch either. Sometimes when I don't see it in the station, it's out here on the launch. And then a look at all the glass panels that they installed. There's only, what, like maybe 6 or 7 panels last time I was here, and now There are a bunch wraps all the way underneath. I am a little surprised though that the frames are, they don't line up. If you look at the glass that goes over the escalators, it is flat glass, but the frame itself, they line up, and it's like a nice curve. And this looks a little janky, but maybe it's just the best that they can do with what they were given. Here you can see what I'm talking about with the glass over the escalators, where the edges of the frames completely line up, even where it curves. Whereas up there, not so much. I am happy though that it is transparent glass and not a solid wall, because you're still gonna get a good view through that glass, both as a rider and from the ground, from the other side. It's gonna be really cool. And then down here, I was wondering what this white metal thing was on the ground last time I was here. And well, when I was here on Friday, oh, you can kind of see it coming up the side here. They are installing covering that goes all the way up these stairs. I'm not the biggest fan of it. I'll show you from below, and you can kind of, I'll explain what I'm talking about. They've done a little bit more work on these pieces that extend out of the side from the escalators. There's a gray piece that goes horizontal connecting the two pieces that was not there last time. And I'm guessing it's gonna be a net that prevents people from throwing stuff on the riders below. And they've also done more work on the perimeter fence. Looks like they got it all done. They were working on it last time I was here. I was here on Friday. Let's go down and take a look from below.
The escalators.
And here we have a look at the covering that goes over the stairs. You know, from this angle, it actually doesn't look that bad, but from below, it looked really kind of wonky. So I should maybe judge it when it's all done, but I don't know. We'll look at it from below and I'll give you my final opinion on that. Here's the perimeter fence that they finished up. Looks like oh yeah, I was looking at the chain link there. So yeah, there's still a little bit more to go. Just a section right here. Some welding as the perimeter fence comes together. You can also see on both sides of the ramp, they've drilled out for posts that are gonna go all the way along. Guys working on it here. So there'll be a fence along this as well. Actually, by the looks of it, this might just be a very short railing with a wire. You can see the little post that they've installed, and it has a hole in it, and then they'll just run a wire in between. It doesn't look like it's gonna go up any higher than that, but there's a minimum height that these walls need to be just for safety reasons. All right, well, you know, now that more pieces are installed, just like when I was coming down the escalator, it doesn't bother me as much as it did on Friday when it was just like a few pieces down here. But okay, so what bothers me though is that the radius at the top, it's not consistent all the way across. I would have preferred a nice half circle there. And then I also was surprised that they're attaching it all the way down here on the base, and they didn't just cut off like this metal rail right here that extends on top of the wall over there. I just expected them to cut that off and weld in vertical posts and then do a cover from there. So I mean, I'm sure they have their reasons why it's not attached in the way that I thought they were gonna attach it. But you know, I guess it needed to get done. Unfortunately, it's gonna obstruct some of the views, but it is what it is. And then I might as well give you an overview from here of the covering over the stairs, the glass that they're installing. And then as I come over here, you can see where there's more posts for the perimeter fence that they are installing. And also that retaining wall was being worked on last time I was here. And it's kind of odd, they only did that one little section. I was expecting them to continue it all the way across. I'm wondering if they will or if that's it. Also quite strange is the new structure is a very cool white, and it doesn't match the warmer tones of the structure that goes over the escalator. but they did match the new structure for the sound shield to the escalator structure. So kind of weird that it doesn't match over the stairs. Well, we still don't have trains in the station, but good news, over here on the track, I see a worker. Oh, also up at the top, it says 4422, and I looked it up. I thought it had something to do with the movie, maybe a little Easter egg, but no, it's just the number building for the park. Well, just kind of hanging out. It's like 4:30 or something like that. There were some guys in the station, but it's not looking like anything's gonna happen. Just noticed this over here. They, at some point, I don't know when, but since my last vlog, they removed the scaffolding or the catwalk that was attached to this concrete retaining wall. So that's that. And oh, there's a camera over there they attached. And then over here on this side, so I talked about how the paint doesn't match on the structure over there. I was just glancing over here, and yeah, these supports that stick out over here, it's not as jarring, but the shade of white there is that cooler shade of white that doesn't match any of this over here. And now that it's starting to get a little bit darker, the lights on the signage is popping and looks really, really, really nice. Here's something I've been trying to show you for a while, but the sun is always making it really hard to come across on video. There's a really cool mural inside the station. All right, well, it's just gonna be one of those days. Unfortunately, nothing too exciting happening, but I do hope you enjoyed all the little things that I showed you. These little things are just as important to get this ride open as the testing, even though the testing is way more exciting to watch. And I am sure that we are gonna see a lot more testing here really, really soon. I want to see some more spinning. It's been since December that I last saw it spin. Anywho, I'll see you around really soon. Take care. Bye now.